welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a vlog, to my vlog, my way of vlogging. And yeah, there's not much going on. Today's Saturday and we're just enjoying life. Me, Josh, and the baby. The older kids are home, and yeah. And I see the door. What's over there? This room. And then when you put a drawer set on there, right? Because it's Ikea. And this one. from Ikea. Hey, you don't see me talking every time. You want you want to say something about something. You don't see me talking. Anyway, now we're on our way to Olive Garden. I know Olive Garden is not hyped up enough, but I still really love Olive Garden. And every time we have a chance, I'm like, babe, let's go to Olive Garden. Let's go to Olive Garden. So we're on our way to Olive Garden because this weekend is our anniversary slash Josh's birthday. So yeah, I don't know, why is everybody looking like that? Anyway, stop being nosy. Oh my god, babe, you're being nosy. Anyway, we are here for Olive Garden. I'll see you guys inside.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But
there it is. Food. Excuse me. We went to Olive Garden and this is the food. Yep. Brought it home with us because, oh man, I was fighting for my life. Now I'm tired. We're home. Oh, yeah. We had to bring the food home. Yeah, oh no, I'm still wearing the same dress. This is what I was gonna go wear. This is what I was gonna wear today to go out, but I changed my mind. I put the sleeveless vest, but it was a struggle dealing with a toddler at the restaurant. So we brought the food home. No shoes?